Hey cruisers, welcome back to Cruise Gear. If you are new here, we invite you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to have some unboxing fun. Normally we like to do these live, but we're having a heat wave in California and there's just no way we can do this in the evening hours when it's so hot. So we're recording this episode and you could watch it at your leisure. Today we are unboxing Glossybox, which is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'm going to show you my new shoes from Kenneth Cole at Macy's. We're unboxing the Puravida monthly bracelet club. We're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now this one's kind of exciting because now you get ultimate choice with this particular subscription. It's wonderful. And we're also unboxing my latest Fashom styling service box where I requested all shirts for business. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's start with Ipsy because I think I'm most excited to share the choice options with you in this today. I'm sorry for all the crinkling noise we're getting here today too, but we've got a lot of packaging. So this is the new cinch sack that the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus comes in. So rather than sending you a bag, they're sending you this little cinch sack, which is really cute. Just opens like that. And each month they're going to redesign this and you're going to get to add a little cinch sack to your wardrobe or use it for storage or whatever. So this is what the first one looks like. The next one for next month is corduroy. It's so cute. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm just going to kind of slide everything out of the bag and then hold everything up for you individually and let you know the items that I chose and the items that I didn't. So now you get to what they do, they call building your perfect bag. So they call it ultra personalization. They pick 2 items for you and you pick 3. So you get a total of 5 different items. And we have a referral link, of course, for you in the description of this video. I will show you the items that I picked. I picked this Wander Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I always love trying new foundations. And this one was one that I was really excited for. And I love that it's a full size and not a sample size. That's the nice thing about the Glam Bag Plus is that mostly you get more full size items than sample size. So I haven't tried this out yet, but I'm going to give it a go, and I am really, really excited to see how this one works. All right, so this was a choice item. I picked this one. An item that I also picked was this Laura Geller Kajal Long Wearing Eyeliner. This is a brown liner, and it looked absolutely beautiful. It was very thick on the end, and I'm really excited to see how that works. I think this is great for my skin tone. It looks really easy to apply, and hopefully it will stay in place. So that was my second choice item. My next choice item was this Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter palette, which I am going to show to you. There we go. I will put my hand over the mirror so we're not getting a reflection here, but you can see that we have Aurora and Borealis are the colors here, and these will be really nice for highlighting. Let's give it a little try. I'll actually add a little bit to my brow bone right now and see how it looks. I like to use highlighter sometimes on my brow bone, and it's nice you can apply it with your fingers, and then sometimes I like to put just a tiny bit right there too at the corner of my eye. I can't really put it in the normal areas because I don't have a brush, but beautiful colors. I'm really happy with this one, and I love the gold in Borealis. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to show you the 2 items that Ipsy picked for me. The first one I'm excited about, and I'll be honest, the second one I'm not very thrilled about, and I'll probably gift it because of the color. But the first item is this 111 Skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster. These cryo products are very, very interesting. I don't really understand that much how they work, but I think it's pretty fascinating that they're using that cryo technology. So this is the size, this is the booster, great addition to my skincare routine. And I will be trying that out immediately. I'm happy with that. The thing I'm not so thrilled about is this lipstick that I got from Huda Beauty. It's a bright red color, and this color just doesn't look good on me. So not too excited about it, but let's pull it out and take a look. The shade is called Boy Collector. Okay, that's interesting, but let's see if we can get it out of here easily. There it is in all its glory. And it's bright red. And I just don't look so great in reds unless they're like a blue red. So beautiful, wonderful for a gift. I'll probably save this for a gift for someone that I know that can just rock a red lippy. So very happy with the new choice. You choose your items with Ipsy now early in the month, and they ship them to you. You can also still do add-ons with Ipsy. It remains one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. I rarely ever take a break. I'm happy with the upgraded membership to the Plus. I think it's just a little bit better, and I enjoy the choice. I love that you can pick 3 of your items. That is very generous of them, and that was a very smart way for them to at least get me to stay. I know they didn't do it for me, but I'm happy with it, and it makes me want to stay with them a little bit more. The next item I want to show you today is my Puravida Bracelet Club. This is a $15 per month subscription. We have a link down below for you. And this month I peaked, and I'm absolutely thrilled to show you this set. It is so pretty. And here it is, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? They, again, generously gave everyone 4 bracelets. So as you can see, 2 of them are kind of pink, 1 is white, and 1 is an aqua braided bracelet. So gorgeous. I'm really thrilled about this. In fact, I'm probably just going to put them on right now and wear them for the rest of the day because I love them. I love that the pink seed bead is very high quality and it'll last a long time. So I'll go ahead and put this on, and then I'll hold it up for you one more time to show you what it looks like on my wrist. They're just a little bit stiff when you first get them, these bracelets, because they use wax to keep everything in place. And so the wax makes it just a teeny tiny bit tricky to close the bracelets up, unless you use your teeth, which I know I'm not supposed to do. I'm trying to be a good girl. But gorgeous combination of aquas and pinks in this one. So pretty. One more I need to get tightened up here, and then I can show you the full effect. This one's hard. Okay, all my dental friends, you're going to be really mad at me for what I just did, but here it is. Can you see that okay? Put it right over my eyes so you can see it well. There we go. That's where the camera focus is, right over my eyes. That's where we're putting it. Isn't this pretty? I love it. I'm very happy with this. Ipsy had a few, Puravida had a few glitches during the pandemic. They were sending people $30 credits just to shop on the site instead of getting their monthly club, which was really fun. I got some new things, but they were having a hard time getting the product out. Completely understand how that could have happened. Okay. Let's go ahead and do Fashom. So we've done one bracelet, jewelry unboxing, we've done a beauty. Now let's do my fashion one. Fashom is an awesome style as you wish subscription service. They actually, it's not really a subscription. You just request a styling whenever you are in the mood. You don't have to do it every month, and you can tell your stylist specifically what you want. So this time I asked my stylist, and sorry for all the crinkling noises, I asked my stylist for all shirts, because right now with work, aren't we all just like focused on how we look from the waist up? We're all doing Zoom meetings and team meetings and all of those things. And for me, I need some shirts that I can wear both at my day job, my professional corporate job, and also some fun shirts for Cruise Tips TV. So they offer, when you sign up, you can get $20 off your first styling by using my link in the description of this video. And your first styling fee is always free. And they also offer discounts when you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. And if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So it's 25 for 3 and 30% off if you keep all 5. So let's see what my wonderful stylist Morgan sent to me. The first thing that we're going to look at is this Paper Moon halter woven top, and this is a $37 item before the discount. This is so pretty. So love this. It's kind of navy, and it has a cute little print, and she knows that I love halter tops. So there it is. Super cute. Cannot wait to try that on. I think it's going to look great with jeans. The next item is going to be beautiful for fall. I can tell by looking at the color. Haven't seen it yet in person, but this is the Gilly bell sleeve V-neck top, $42. So pretty. This is so pretty for professional days at work, and it has a gorgeous bell sleeve. I love bell sleeves. You guys, they're so flattering on any figure. And this will also tuck beautifully into jeans. I actually can see myself wearing this with a strand of pearls for work, just to zhuzh it up a little bit, make it a little more fancy, but I love this. Good job, Morgan. You're killing it. I love my box. Okay, the next item is definitely a fun Cruise Tips TV favorite, and this one screams Sherry. Does it not? This is the Odie Amy embroidered off the shoulder top for $41. I just bumped the mic. I'm sorry about that, you guys, but here it is. So cute. Embroidered and off the shoulder, and a cute little, lots of sleeve detail on this one, as you can see, and some cute waist detail. Love this. Matches my Cruise Tips TV set perfectly. It's got this beautiful aqua, and it's just darling. I love it. But yet, the color kind of goes nicely into fall. Did I mention that one was $41? $41. This next item looks so cute to me, and it looks really soft and cozy. And this one is the Chris and Carol Monica bell sleeve top. Again, Morgan, you know I love bell sleeves. This one's $39, and here it is. I just touched the microphone again. Sorry, you guys. You're going to be hearing some funny noises here. This is it, and it's nice and soft and cottony, and it has a beautiful bell sleeve. Cute. I'm excited about this one. I like that it's so soft and cozy. Okay, let's try to hold this next one without bumping into my microphone. We can do it. This one is the Chris and Carol 3/4 sleeve top for $35 in a bright, beautiful Kelly green color. There it is. Cute. So this one has more of a figure forming kind of a style, especially on the sleeves, but I love 3/4 sleeves. So really happy with these tops. Thank you, Morgan. I cannot wait to try them on. See how they pair with my pajama bottoms that I wear every day to work. Just kidding. And you'll see some of them most certainly on the Cruise Tips TV set. If I keep all 5 with my discount, it'll be $135.80 for all of them. And again, I'll give you my referral discount in the description of the video below. Next up, we're gonna do a Glossybox unboxing. Glossybox is a little bit more new for me. It is another monthly beauty box, and I'm still trying to get a feel for how I feel about it, whether I like it or not. I liked the last box last month. It was like an Aloha type theme. One thing is for sure, they always kill it with the packaging at Glossybox. I mean, come on, look at this. This is so cute. I love it. It's gorgeous. It looks like a perfect gift. I have to save this box and gift it to someone because it is just so pretty. So I'm happy with the box. I think it's lovely, but let's see what's inside. I'm gonna open it up, and we've got a $50 gift card for Vincero watches sitting right on the top. And then we have a birthday edition. This must be the birthday edition. Information on all of the contents, which is so cool. And this is what the packaging looks like before you open it. It's so gorgeous, you guys. They do such a good job with the aesthetics of the box. And once opened, here is a first look at my box. There it is. Cute. I see some fun things in here, and I can't wait to give them a try. This is gonna be so good. Okay, the first item, and I'm gonna look at my little magazine here. This is the Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. Oh, it's a cleaning dry shampoo. Pink clay and peppermint nourishing and weightless. This is for oily hair, and this is 1.76 ounces. Very cool. I like that. You can never have too many dry shampoos. What is this? This is the Tangle Teaser Professional Detangling Hairbrush, wet and dry. I need to take this out of the box. This is crazy cool. Oh dear, it's one of those impossible to open things. Don't you love it when that happens? You wanna help me, sweetie? Ooh, I'm gonna manhandle it, guys. There we go. Oh yeah, it's really in there. Okay, this is adorable. I wish it wasn't pink because my son would probably love. This reminds me of a pet hairbrush. Doesn't it remind you of a pet hairbrush a little bit? Super cute. Well, it is lightweight. It might be nice for travel. I don't want to redo the locks too much, but okay. Kind of different, kind of fun. I'll give it a chance. I'll give it a try. Let's see what's next. Next is the Jekka Black Glow Drops. This is a highlighting primer for the face. Let's open it up and see what it's like. I love hydrating primers. Ooh, oh, highlighting primers. I like all of that. Anything that's hydrating, great, wonderful. I just don't like the primers that leave your skin feeling too tight or like they're not moisturized enough, but this is nice. I'm really excited to check it out. I'm actually gonna open it up and put a tiny bit on my hand. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of, definitely a little bit of foundation-like tint in it. You can kind of see right there. I'll rub it in. So I know this isn't the ultimate setup for trying things on, but I'll kind of show you my palm. It's definitely glowy. That is beautiful. I'm excited to try that on weekends or under my foundation. Sounds groovy. Okay, what is next? Oh yeah. Oh, we love this. This is a Glossybox brand skincare eye boosting cream. And you know me, I'm sensitive about my eyes, you guys, my under eye bags here. And so anytime I can get any kind of an eye boosting cream, I am thrilled about it. And this is the house brand for Glossybox. And this says it reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. I hope it works. I'm constantly looking for an eye cream that actually does what it says it's going to do. Most of them for me don't. But this is awesome. Okay, Glossybox, I'm loving you this month. I'm liking this. I don't know about the funny little hairbrush, but everything else I'm liking. Okay, this is cute, you guys. Look at this. It's a natural lip balm in Wildberry. This thing looks huge. So it's a full-size lip balm. This is really cute. Oh, look, it's one of those little kind of round ones, like the EOS brand. Oh yeah, it smells exactly like wild berries. This will be nice to have around the house. So this is a fun box. I have a little discount and a link for you to Glossybox as well. You can check that out. Oops, before I forget, there is a little youth renewing single serve packet, like it's food. Single size packet, super cute. But I think this is good. I'm still learning with Glossybox. I'm still kind of getting there, you know, feeling it out. I don't want to spend too much money on my monthly subscriptions, but I'm intrigued, and I'm probably going to give it at least another month to see how I like it. Okay, this next item is a random fun thing. It's not really an unboxing, but I bought some shoes, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I left them in the box. I haven't worn them yet. But you guys, they are Cruise Tips TV blue, and you have got to see these gorgeous shoes. I got them at Macy's. If they still have them, I will link to them. I wear a 5.5, and hello, beautiful. Come on. These are great. My husband's like, you're not gonna wear those, but they're really cute. I think they're so pretty, and I can't wait for an excuse to wear them. None of us are really wearing as many shoes out right now during this, like, you know, sort of still quarantine time. But I am thrilled about these, and I can't wait to get some use out of them. They look comfortable, and they come in beautiful colors. They come in a really gorgeous, kind of a yellowy chartreuse too. So check them out at Macy's, and the brand is Kenneth Cole. But I'm really thrilled about these, and I just wanted to share. Thank you guys so much for bearing with us and doing this recorded instead of live just because of the weather. We really appreciate all of you. Please stick around and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what subscription boxes and things that you like to unbox in the comments below. And also tell us what you'd like to see from our channel. Thank you all for being here. And until next time, get in gear and get cruising.